The fashion industry stands on the brink of a technological revolution. Blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, is poised to reshape how we produce, consume, and even think about fashion. It offers a new paradigm for transparency, traceability, and trust, addressing critical issues of counterfeiting, sustainability, and ethical sourcing. This isn't just about a new trend, it's about a fundamental shift in the fashion ecosystem. Imagine a world where you can instantly verify the authenticity of a designer handbag or trace the journey of your organic cotton shirt from farm to wardrobe. Blockchain makes this possible. By creating a secure and immutable record of transactions, blockchain provides an unprecedented level of transparency throughout the fashion supply chain. This not only empowers consumers to make informed choices, but also holds brands accountable for their ethical and environmental practices. The implications of this technology extend far beyond luxury goods. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize fast fashion, an industry notorious for its environmental impact and questionable labor practices. By enabling greater transparency and traceability, blockchain can help consumers make more conscious choices and incentivize brands to adopt more sustainable and ethical practices. This transformative technology empowers consumers to demand better from the industry. It also empowers creators and artisans by providing them with a direct connection to their audience, bypassing traditional intermediaries and gatekeepers. The shift towards a more decentralized and democratized fashion ecosystem is one of the most exciting aspects of blockchain's rise in this space. To understand blockchain's impact on fashion, we need to delve into the evolution of the internet itself. Web 1.0, the early internet, was primarily a one-way street for information. Users could read content but had limited interaction or control. Then came Web 2.0, characterized by social media platforms and user-generated content. While this fostered greater interaction, it also led to centralized platforms controlling vast amounts of user data. Now, we're on the cusp of Web 3.0, powered by blockchain technology. This new iteration of the internet promises to be more decentralized, secure, and user-centric. In Web 3.0, users have greater control over their data and digital identities. This shift from platform-centric to user-centric models is creating new opportunities for innovation across various industries, including fashion. Web 3.0's emphasis on decentralization aligns perfectly with the growing consumer demand for transparency and ethical practices in fashion. By leveraging blockchain's capabilities, fashion brands can build trust with their customers by providing verifiable information about their products and supply chains. This newfound transparency is not just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how consumers interact with brands and make purchasing decisions. One of the most transformative aspects of blockchain technology is the concept of tokenization. Tokens are digital assets that represent ownership or access rights to a particular asset or service. In the context of fashion, tokens can be used for a wide range of applications, from authenticating luxury goods to rewarding customer loyalty. There are several types of tokens, each with unique properties and applications. Utility tokens provide access to specific products, services, or experiences within a platform or ecosystem. For example, a fashion brand could issue utility tokens to grant early access to new collections or exclusive discounts. Security tokens represent ownership in an asset, such as equity in a company or a physical item like a rare garment. They offer a new way for fashion brands to raise capital and for investors to participate in the industry's growth. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are unique tokens that represent ownership of digital or physical assets, making them ideal for authenticating luxury goods, limited edition items, and even digital fashion experiences in the metaverse. The possibilities of tokenization in fashion are vast and still unfolding. Imagine a future where you can collect and trade digital representations of your favorite garments, participate in virtual fashion shows, or even co-create designs with your favorite brands, all facilitated by blockchain technology and tokenization. Section 4. Decentralized design, dApps, and DAOs reshaping fashion. Beyond tokenization, blockchain enables the creation of decentralized applications or dApps and decentralized autonomous organizations or DAOs, further revolutionizing the fashion landscape. dApps are applications built on blockchain platforms, operating independently of centralized control. In fashion, dApps can facilitate peer-to-peer marketplaces for buying and selling pre-owned clothing, create transparent and traceable supply chains, and even enable new forms of digital fashion experiences. DAOs, on the other hand, are organizations governed by a set of predefined rules encoded on the blockchain. These rules, often determined by community voting, enable transparent and democratic decision-making processes within the organization. In fashion, DAOs can be used to govern fashion collectives, manage intellectual property rights for designers, and even fund emerging sustainable fashion initiatives. The combination of dApps and DAOs has the potential to create a more equitable and democratic fashion ecosystem, where power is distributed among stakeholders, including designers, consumers, and investors. This shift towards decentralization can empower independent creators, foster greater collaboration and innovation, and promote more sustainable and ethical practices throughout the industry. Section 5. A Stitch in Time: Carbon Credits and Sustainable Style. One of the most pressing issues facing the fashion industry today is its environmental impact. From excessive water usage to textile waste and carbon emissions, the industry's current practices are unsustainable. Blockchain technology offers a powerful tool for addressing these challenges by enabling the integration of carbon credits into the fashion ecosystem. Carbon credits, verified emissions reductions from certified projects, can be tokenized on the blockchain, creating a transparent and traceable way for fashion brands to offset their environmental impact. This can incentivize brands to adopt more sustainable practices, knowing that their efforts can be verified and rewarded. Consumers are becoming increasingly aware of the environmental and social impact of their purchasing decisions. By leveraging blockchain technology to track and offset their carbon footprint, fashion brands can appeal to this growing segment of conscious consumers. This transparency not only builds trust, but also empowers consumers to make more informed choices that align with their values. The integration of carbon credits is just one example of how blockchain can be used to promote sustainability in fashion. From tracing the origins of raw materials to tracking the life cycle of garments, blockchain offers a comprehensive solution for creating a more transparent, accountable, and environmentally responsible fashion industry. Section 6 Conclusion: Weaving a New Future for Fashion. The convergence of blockchain, tokenization, dApps, DAOs, and carbon credits represents a seismic shift for the fashion industry. We're witnessing the emergence of a more transparent, decentralized, and sustainable fashion ecosystem, one where consumers are empowered to make informed choices, creators have greater control over their work, and the industry's environmental impact is minimized. This transformation won't happen overnight. It requires collaboration, innovation, and a willingness to embrace new technologies and business models. However, the potential rewards are immense. By embracing blockchain technology, the fashion industry has the opportunity to not only reinvent itself, but also to become a leading example of how technology can be used to create a more equitable, sustainable, and stylish future for all. Please like and subscribe below. Contact C2C Fashion and Technology for more information.